If your Aura frame is freezing, this is typically caused by connectivity issues, app problems, or frame-specific issues. Let's work through the most effective troubleshooting steps to get your frame working properly again. First, check if Aura's cloud services are experiencing an outage. Visit their official status page or check their social media accounts for any reported issues. Since Aura frames rely heavily on cloud services, any outage can cause your frame to freeze or become unresponsive. The most common fix for a freezing frame is a simple restart. Unplug your Aura frame from the power outlet, wait 10 to 30 seconds, then plug it back in. This clears temporary glitches and allows the frame to establish a fresh connection to your network. Next, reboot your Wi-Fi router. Unplug it from power, wait 30 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow the router to fully reboot before testing your frame. Network connectivity issues are a leading cause of Aura frame freezing. Aura frames only work with 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi networks. They do not support 5 GHz networks. Make sure your frame is connected to the correct network frequency. If your signal is weak, move the frame closer to your router to improve connectivity and reduce freezing issues. App issues can cause frame freezing. Force close the Aura app and reopen it. Make sure you have the latest version installed. Restart your phone to clear any memory issues. On Android devices, go to Settings, then Apps, find Aura Frames, and select Storage to clear the app's cache and data. Finally, check your album settings in the Aura app. Make sure new photos are being added to the album linked to your frame. Verify that photo uploads haven't been paused and look for any failed uploads that need to be retried. Sometimes manually refreshing the album can resolve freezing issues. These troubleshooting steps resolve the majority of Aura frame freezing issues. Work through them systematically, starting with checking cloud services and progressing through each step. Most connectivity and app-related problems can be fixed with these solutions. When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Aura frame freezing issues, it's time to try advanced solutions. A hardware reset can often fix persistent problems that software fixes cannot address. First, you need to locate the reset pinhole on your Aura frame. This small hole is typically found on the back or bottom of the device, often near the power cable connection. To perform the hardware reset, keep your frame connected to power. Insert a small paperclip or similar tool into the reset hole until you feel a soft click. Hold the paperclip in place for 10 to 15 seconds. During the reset process, your frame's screen will go dark and then display a factory data reset message, followed by restarting. This indicates the reset is working properly. The process will erase all content and contributors from your frame. After the reset completes, your frame will display the Aura stock image along with a 4-digit Bluetooth pairing code. You'll need to set up your frame again using the Aura app, just like when you first got it. Once you've completed the setup process, contact Aura's customer care team to restore your photos, videos, and contributors. They can help recover your content that was erased during the factory reset. If problems persist even after a factory reset, or if you're experiencing account-related syncing issues or firmware problems, contact Aura support directly for advanced troubleshooting assistance. Keep in mind that some users report higher failure rates and ongoing connectivity issues with Aura frames. Stay updated with Aura's software updates and announcements, as they regularly release improvements to address these common problems.